This is the operating procedures for a root foaming machine. We have here the root foaming machine, a 20 litre drum, bike pump, bladder and the washdown hose. As the machine uses herbicides, there are safe procedures for the use of this machine and this product. It is recommended that the operator wears chemical resistant rubber gloves, eye protection, a breathing mask as well as long sleeved shirt and long trousers. It is recommended before foaming that you would thoroughly jet and inspect the line with a CCTV sewer camera. The ideal window is for the root foam application to be carried out 6 weeks after the line has been jetted. This allows time for the roots that have been growing into the line to re-enter the line and for the foam to make contact with it. The area foam should not be used for at least 2 hours. Care must be taken if foaming towards bathrooms, laundries and kitchens. The foam can come out through gullies, floor and shower wastes, toilet pans, hand basins, kitchen sinks and vents. In the case of foam that comes out under kitchen sinks through badly connected pipes, it is a good practice to have an observer inside the area. This allows for the operator to be contacted immediately. A damp towel can be used to cover the floor and shower wastes, sink and hand basins to inhibit foam spilling out, and plenty of toilet paper in the pan. Some operators are known to carry party balloons that they inflate and place in gullies and waste to prevent overflows. We have connected the power, so now we're just going to test the machine and see that we've got an airflow through the machine, and that's working fine. Okay. We're now going to connect the rest of the plumbing. Firstly the water tank hose, then the bladder, using the cam locks, locking it into place. For ease of use and putting it down the drain, it might be ideal situation to use a little bit of detergent on the hose to let it slip through. You can see how easy it's now going down the pipe, and we'll just show you the area. Okay. Now we're going to pump the bladder up with the bike pump. Until it's nice and firm. Okay, now we're going to add the chemicals. In this instance we'll just add the foaming agent to the 20 litres of water that we have in the tank. No. Now this needs to be thoroughly mixed. To start the root foaming machine, switch on the top switch first. Wait for the airflow and then turn on the bottom switch, and it'll start pumping out the root foam. We've just expended the 20 litres of foaming product, and now we're going to clean the machine. So we need to disconnect the top pipe and place it into a bucket of water. And run the machine to thoroughly clean the root foaming machine. Now that he's thoroughly rinsed the machine, he can now pack it away for the next job.